From a bullied boy to the richest man on earth, having net worth over $400 billion. He was the first ever to achieve this mark. Elon Musk's story isn't just success, it's pure inspiration. In South Africa, there was a quiet boy named Elon Musk. While most kids played outside, Elon buried himself in books and experiments. At just 10, he taught himself to code. By 12, he sold his first video game for $500. For chasing bigger dreams, he moved to the US. His first startup, Zip2, made him a millionaire when it sold for $307 million. But Elon didn't stop there. He created PayPal, sold to eBay for over $1 billion. He poured his fortune into SpaceX, even after several failed launches, and finally he flew it. Next, he creates Tesla and Starlink. Currently, he's working on connecting brains with computers through Neuralink. Subscribe and follow for more amazing videos.